You want to see the newest release from Beachwaver. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you know that I am a huge fan of Beachwaver. As a matter of fact, it became an ambassador. I love them so much. They just came out with a multi-barrel tool that has 3 attachments and a beautiful case to make storing a breeze. I just curled my wig with this piece right here. This is their mega cone. It goes from 1 inch to 1.5 inches, and that's this beautiful wave on this side. And I also used their curly cone on this side, and this goes from 1/2 inch to 1 inch. So you can get more curls or more waves depending on what you want to do. And if you want to do a little bit of both, it comes with this little sleeve that makes it really easy for you to change out to the other piece. Just hold it on, press the buttons, lift it up, and then attach your other one just like that, and you're good to go. Watch me put a few curls in. This thing is amazing.